Hi guys, gonna have another look at the Devil's Monster rock crawler. Latest problem is the front end again, front drive. If we just plug it in, right, what's happening is front and back are driving, but if we get a bit of pressure on the front, yeah, something's slipping. But I don't think it's the motor this time. I think it might be the pinion gear slipping. So we'll have another look. Which might mean the gear's split, in which case, well, we'll just have to see. Okay, so what's going on? I reckon it might be that gear, pinion gear. How can we do this? We have to switch it back on again. If I hold that, yeah, I think it's that. No. No, it's not spinning. So in that case it might be the brushes playing up, which is probably easier to fix. Right, I've got this motor. It's got nice carbon brushes in it. I say carbon, they're not just the brass fingers anyway. So let's have a look at this fella. Yeah, this one's still got the old brass ones. I'll just remember I've got green on my right. That is important to remember. Yes, they're pretty. Oh, let's zoom in on that. Yeah, they're a bit dead and bent. So, like I say, green on the right. I'm sure we want to save that. And the capacitor as well, if we can get it out. Yes, getting a bit hot there. Right, that's the old brushes, little brass fingers. This is the new ones that I've just taken out of the other motor. Just pulled the little plastic holder out of that one and put it straight into this black one. So I'll put that on there and solder it back together. Right, I had to do that little close-up bit because the camera died again, or the battery died. I've been trying out some of the old batteries that I've got tucked away to see if I'd got any good ones, and that one was a bad one. Right, so that's back in there. I'll close the little tag up again. Right, and we need to solder that on there. It also has that one on there. Right, we need to get that on there. Green was on the right. I expect we won't be able to see this. So that should be it. Put it all back together. Should be good to go. I suppose we could just so back together. Looks like we've got something else slipping in there. That'll be the little dog bone. I wonder if that's the one I mended, or yeah, looks like it's slipped along a bit. But we fixed the motor anyway, so that'll probably be the next thing. It might be a dog bone again. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.